Hey there, beauty lovers. If you're looking for the perfect makeup sponge to elevate your beauty routine, then you're in luck because we've got just a product for you. Introducing the BEAKEY 5 PCS Makeup Sponges Set, the latex-free, high-density wonder blender that's perfect for liquid, cream, and powder makeup applications. Our Bound beauty sponges are uniquely formulated with about twice the elasticity of previous versions, which means superior blendability, flawless application, and minimal product waste, ensuring a perfect makeup experience every time. Plus, it's specially optimized for individuals with sensitive skin, so you can rest assured that it's non-irritating, and we never test our products on animals. With its rounded surface for quick application and contoured tip for precision, our big Bound blending sponge meets all your makeup needs. Whether you prefer to use it wet or dry, it's perfect for various products like foundation, BB cream, powder, concealer, sunscreen, and liquids, making it a versatile addition to your beauty tool collection. Not to mention, our Bound makeup blender sponge is easy to clean and reusable, making it perfect for use during travel. Plus, we've chosen to use premium, water-soluble dyes, so you can rest assured that initial color washing off is completely normal and has no adverse effects on your skin. And the best part? Our Bound makeup sponges deliver professional-grade performance at an affordable price, making high-quality beauty tools accessible to anyone who seeks them. We firmly believe that you don't have to break the bank for top-notch products, and our sponges are a true testament to that belief. So, if you're ready to take your makeup game to the next level, click the link in the description to get your hands on the BEAKEY 5 PCS Makeup Sponges Set. Trust us, your beauty routine will thank you for it. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more beauty tips and reviews.